Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So today in mathematics, we are going to be looking at addition of whole numbers. Okay? Today in mathematics, our topic is on addition of whole numbers. So are we ready for the lesson? In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at word problems in addition, okay? And we're going to be using number lines to add. So are we ready? We're with our books and our pencils or pens to get into today's lesson, right? Okay, good. So when we have, this is just an example, okay? If you have 12 plus 8, what is going to be the answer? Here we have our number line. From 1 to 20, we have our number line here, and we are to add 12 plus 8. So first of all, you're going to look for 12 on the number line, okay? You have 12 here. Have you located 12? So we have 12 here. We are to add 8 to 12, so we're going to be taking 8 ups, okay? We're going to be upping 8 times. Do you understand? We'll start from 12 and up 8 times to get our answer, okay? So let's start. Here we have 12 plus 8, so we have 12. Here we are going to be upping from 12, 8 steps, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're done counting 8, the number that you stopped in, it's your answer, okay? So we stopped at 20. So 12 plus 8 is going to give us 20. Do you understand that? 12 plus 8 on our number line, we first of all located 12, okay? Then we moved 8 times because we're adding 8 to 12, okay? So you are going to move 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the number you landed on, it's your answer. So our answer is 20. 12 plus 8 is going to give you 20, okay? Do you understand that now? So this is how you use the number line in addition, okay? So now let's look at some word problem on addition, okay? Here we have number 1. Samantha has 48 apples and she buys 27 more at the grocery store. How many apples does Samantha have in total? So now we have 48 apples and she buys 27 more apples. So we have to add 48 and 27. You can create your own number line if you were not given a number line, okay? So you create your number line. First you draw your number line and write 48. 48 is the first number we are going to take because it's bigger, okay? And it's the first number and it's bigger. When you have written 48, are you going to count 27 steps more? Remember how we did the previous slide? We moved 8 times, right? So here, are you going to move 27 times? It will be a little bit difficult, right? Taking 27 steps might be a little bit difficult and you might make mistake. So we apply our place value. In 27, there are how many tens? 2 tens, right? And there's 1 ones, which is 7. So 10 plus 10 is 20, right? Plus 7 is 27. So we are going to be taking step by step, okay? We are going to take 10 steps, then take another 10 steps, then count 7, okay? So 47 going 10 steps, sorry, 48. 48 going 10 steps is going to give you 58. And 58 going another 10 steps is going to give you 68. Okay? And when 68 counts 7 steps, is going to give you 75. When you get to the last 10, you move 7 steps, okay? You take 7 steps, and when you get there, you're going to have 75. So 48 plus 27 is going to give you 75. Do you understand that? Okay, good. So let's look at another example to help us understand better. Tom has 63 marbles and he finds 42 more while playing in the park. How many marbles does Tom have now? He has 63 and he found 42 more while playing in the park. So how many does Tom have now? We use the same pattern we did previously, okay? We are first of all going to write 63 on our line. When you draw your line, you write 63. Now, how many turns does 42 have? It has 4 turns, right? And 2 as the ones. So we are going to place 10, 10, 10, 10, okay? Do you understand? So from 63, we are going to up to 110, which is going to give us 73. When you up to another 10, it's going to give you 83. And you up to another 10 is going to give you 93. Now you have upped in 3 tens. And we are 40, right? So we have just done 30. So we're going to up to another 10, making it 40, which is going to give us 103. Then we move 2 steps. 1, 2 is going to give us 105. Okay? So 63 plus 42 is going to give us 105. Do you understand? When you got here, when you got to 103, you move 2 steps. Let's say 103, 104, 105. You move 2 steps, so you had 105. Okay? I hope you're not confused. Okay, good. We're going to be looking at another example. Emily has 32 candies. She receives 28 more candies as a birthday gift. How many candies does Emily have now? She has 32 candies and she receives 28 more candies as a birthday gift. So how many does she have now? So 32 plus 28. Okay? So you first of all draw your number line, then you write out 32, which is the first and the bigger number. Now you move over to 28. How many turns does 28 have? Just 2 turns, right? Good. So write down 10, 10, and put down 8. So now we are going to be moving from 32 to 10 steps, okay? To another 10 steps, to another 8 steps to help us get our answer. From 32, you take the first 10 steps, you're going to have 42. When you take another 10 steps, you're going to have 52. So you have taken 10 steps, 10 plus 10 is 20, so you have taken 20 steps. Now you're going to take 8 steps, okay? When you take 8 steps, you're going to have 60. Do you understand? So 32 plus 28 is going to give you 60. Emily has 60 candies, okay? She had 32 candies and she received 28 more, so she has 60 candies. Do you understand? Okay, good. So next we're going to be looking at our last example on word problem. Jacob has 78 toy cars. He buys 30 more toy cars at the store. How many toy cars does Jacob have in total? Jacob has 78 toy cars and he bought 30 more toy cars at the store. So how many toy cars does Jacob have in total? So you take the first digits, 78, and is the highest number. So you draw your number line and write 78. You move to the next digits, 30. We have 30 here. And how many turns are in 30? There are 3 turns, right? So you are going to be upping from one turn to the second turn to the third turn, okay? Then you're going to arrive at your answer. So are we ready? So you write out 78 when you're done drawing your number line. Then you move 10 steps from 78. When you get to the first 10, you have 88. Then you move to the next 10, you have 98. We have moved 2 steps, which is 210, which is 20, and we have 30. So we have moved 20, we'll move to the next 10, which is 108. So 78 plus 30 is going to give us 108. So Jacob has 108 cars in total. Okay? Do you understand that? So we understand this pattern, right? Instead of counting 30 steps, we use the place value method in turns, right? So it made it easier. So we understand how to use the number line to count larger numbers, right? Good. So today's lesson on addition of whole numbers, we understood everything we looked at. All the examples we looked at, we understood it, right? Okay, that is good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment. Okay, that is good. So keep on practicing because practice makes perfect. For you to be perfect at solving maths, you need to keep on practicing, okay? Good.